hips? Are they real sore?
Yeah.
You can put ice on those too, okay?
If we have to get as close as we can, you know what I mean? Because I think the main thing that hurts, to be honest, is I guess it was a little bit of the neck, but you know that went away. But what hurts the most, I guess, is my hips aren't like stopping it.
Yeah.
So it's jerking into the bar.
Yep.
So I'm like, oh.
And the harder you get pinned, it just pushes up against those bruises that are there.
Yeah.
Back in the day, this used to be made out of oak.
Okay.
So it was just flat wood.
Yeah.
And then they wised up and put towels around it to keep the hip down. I'm gonna get you in real tight.
Yeah, that's fine.
Down just a millimeter, but scoot down about a millimeter.
Try to suck it in as much as I can.
Got way crooked now. Your legs be loose. It's just with the male pelvis. It's uncomfortable. Just means you're a dude. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your toes, keep your mouth closed. Hands together a little tighter. Wiggle those toes. Just breathe.
I noticed I was trying to fucking stop it until like you had to wiggle the toes and you're like, oh, once I moved them, I was like, oh.
Yeah, I got
Tricks there, yeah.
Perfect. It's all about tricking you. Once you get a lot done, you have to kind of trick yourself.
Yeah. That's what I was trying. I was like, stop, because when you kind of like gave a tug, and I was like, dude, I'm stopping myself, like trying to get my mind free. But
let's go face down, okay? Right leg a little short.
that makes sense for the lifting this morning.
Did you ever follow me on the YouTube or the social media?
Nah, I didn't even get your info.
Oh yeah, it's Dr. Grunts. Because I grunt all the time and all the trolls started making fun of me.
I was actually gonna, I didn't know how you felt about that. I was gonna ask you so I can tag you today.
Yeah, go for it.
Does the company have a Instagram too?
Yeah, it's just South Texas Chiropractic, but I really run it through mine.
Okay.
But I think it's more tagged through the location.
Gotcha.
And then my YouTube is Dr. Grunts too. It's where I'll put most of it, but probably the cell phone videos I'll do like a reel, or it just depends on what I get. It's so hard to get a good video on it. Let's lay this side up.
I was thinking you should get like a big old one of those big old tripods that those people use at
Yeah.
the gym.
And we're gonna put magnetic mounts on all these walls, and we'll put
Even one on the ceiling, man, so you can see people's faces afterwards.
Right. Let's face the other way, and then I want to get the camera glasses. Let's go face down. Maybe if all my kids weren't born in November,
You could get it for Christmas.
I'm gonna spend $1,000 on moon bounces probably.
How many kids you have?
3.
Boys, girls?
1 boy, 2 girls.
Boys the oldest?
Yeah.
There you go. Take care of his little sisters.
Well, those girls, man, they'll fend for themselves. That was nice. Let's go
right hand low back. And switch. Both. And arms down. Let's lay this side up. Painful. Painful as hell. Be loose. Drop the leg, I'll lift it. Let's go face down. So what's weird here is when you've been a lot of L4 problems. The low back's weird. You'll have to push the ilium in, and then you can get L4 to move. So it feels like nothing happened there, but hold this tight. Moved. Arm down. Arm down. Let's go right hand to low back. And switch. Arms down. Tilt this hip up and back down. Tilt the lefty and back down. Right arm on top of the head. And switch. Both. And arms down. Let's go face up. Let it be loose. Put your arm down. So pain was down. Now we're just dealing with tightness and soreness. Probably got a good 2 weeks until I'd say start really working out again. Okay? Kind of take it easy, go to the gym, do a little bit, but maybe avoid going heavy. Basically avoid deadlifts for 2 weeks.
That's how I heard it. So
Mm-hmm.
after that, I was like, oh.
Back in my powerlifting days, if I felt like you, I wouldn't squat over 225 for like 2 weeks. But lifting is what will help to get that hamstring to calm down. You just have to be smart about it. I'd avoid leg press. would stay away from the leg press, but I wouldn't be afraid to put a bar on the back. Just everything has to be perfect. Let's go ahead and sit up. Yeah, remember? There she goes. Come up here and we'll stand up. Glad that spot's not super sensitive
I
anymore.
was just waiting for it right now. That's crazy part.
That first time it zapped you.
Yeah. Even yesterday afternoon, I kind of like lost feeding. I was trying to, it's so hard to stay on my feet.
Feeling good, sir?